In this video, watch how to repair damaged industrial cables using a 3D former and Belzona elastomer. Abrasive environments take their toll on equipment. The constant dragging and flexing of cables can leave wires exposed, causing a significant safety hazard. Instead of replacement, 3D printing technology can combine with Belzona's elastomer systems, providing a cost-effective and timely solution. Using CAD, a former can be made to the exact dimensions of the damaged cable. The durable design means that this can be used for repeat applications. First, prepare the cable insulation, creating the optimum surface profile. Mask both sides of the abraded area to avoid any overspill. Then apply the conditioner. Work this into the surface to ensure a strong bond. Next, apply release agent to the former, ensuring all the grooves and cavities are coated. Mix the two-part Belzona repair material together until it's one cohesive colour. Line the former, once again ensuring all grooves and cavities are coated. The remainder of the mixed product should be poured into a cartridge for injection later. Place the formers into position around the cable defect. Press them firmly together until they interlock, and then secure with cable ties. The remaining material can be injected from the port underneath. This forces out any entrapped air, whilst creating 100% contact with the substrate. When the material exudes from the vent on the top of the former, wipe away the excess and plug both holes. Once the system is fully cured, the former can be removed, revealing a long-term abrasion-resistant repair. For more information about this system, visit belzona.com/2131.